Let me tell you why humans have been demanding Anthony Seagull since the beginning of time. My special dance moves gives me pure vagina action. First get the mom.
We don't drink water here, we don't believe in it.
There's someone going door to door selling sand.
I'm holding the face of a psychiatrist.
Going door to door selling sand.
You don't need
Sand.
in your cock.
Sand.
Sand.
And here is your
Sponge.
in which to
Diarrhea.
But wait, I'm not done. You thought I was done? You must be shitting.
And here is your bucket in which to
Mr. Dance.
See them again. And it's
a new car!
scratch your cock. Scratch.
Anthony Seagull.
Scratch.
Vagina.
Are you moist yet? Fuck.